Happy Independence Day to everyone. What does India mean to me? We are the world's oldest and ancient civilization. And unlike the civilizations of Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Greece, we have still retained our culture to the present day. Yet, we have done away with social perils like sati, child marriage, animal sacrifice. And when you board the train, do you ask anyone about their religion or caste? If you do that, it's a crime. We have changed ourselves to become better human beings. And that is the wonder that Indians are. And have we contributed to the world in any way? Well, let's start with Pythagoras' theorem. Do you know Bodhayana discovered the Pythagoras theorem much before Pythagoras did? Well, we are a wonder, and I'm proud to be an Indian.